Hi everyone! Today we're going to use Lookback Live for remote moderated research. We'll start by creating a new project in Lookback's dashboard. We'll give it a name and in this case also a URL. We'll write some instructions for our participants to see once they click our link. Because we now have a live link which is unique to this project, so we'll copy that. And we'll send it out via email, but you can send it out however you want. And once it's time for testing, your participant can click the link on desktop or mobile and just go through a few steps in order to be ready. They'll have to share their microphone, but camera is optional. Now the session will show up in your dashboard, so let's call them up. Once they pick up, you can start interviewing or testing. And while you watch, you can take notes that will be attached to this moment in the recording. You can also mention people in there and they'll get an email to this specific moment. Or just invite them to watch with you in real time. And that's how to talk to your users with Lookback Live.